seasons. So students, in this video we are going to study about monsoon season. We also call it as rainy season. During rainy season or monsoon, it rains everywhere and we need to protect ourselves from the rain. So in this photo you can see there is a boy wearing some different types of clothes that will protect us from rain. So today we are going to learn what are the clothes that we wear during the rainy season which protects us from the rain. So let's begin. Umbrella. UMBRELLA, umbrella. Next, raincoat. We wear a raincoat that protects us from the rain. Rain boots. Rain boots protects our shoes and socks from the rain. Students, after the rainfall, we also see a very colorful rainbow. A rainbow has 7 colors. So students, these are the few things that we use and wear during the rainy season. They are umbrella, rain boots, raincoat and hat. Thank you for watching the video.